Hello everyone. Today we will be having a look at Mordialloc Station's Platform 2 demolition and the start of single line operation. Just 2 days into the works, as you can see when this was filmed, the station buildings on Platform 2 were already demolished and all that was left was really the platform itself. Here you can see the underpass being filled in. Just a few days after, you can see it is completely filled in. The poles at the start of the ramp down to the underpass still remain, and something I find strange is that they've put a gantry on the dirt that's filled in the underpass. Here's the underpass on the 9th of July 2025. As you can see, there is only a section blocked off, and this part is the bit leading up to the car park, which was closed at this time. There is a closure for the Mordialloc rail yards until the new rail bridge opens in 2026. Again, just 2 days after the works began, all the wires for the Mordialloc yard have been removed. You can still see the 3 tracks across the crossing. This is now a few days later and the demolition of Platform 2 is completed.
Oh, is that where the other?
Thanks to the stone bricks and the original safety fence from when it was in use, you can still see where the underpass was and where the ramp ended. Here are some new Mikey readers for a new entrance on Platform 1. I've tried to work it out and I think roughly about here is where the underpass went under the tracks. Here you can see the workers' safety fence between the trains and the construction site being built. Back at the yard now, again a couple days later, and most of the gantries have gone.
Yeah, I'm upset. I feel bad because when he turned the valve.
Now time to see some trains using the single line. I will upload a video shortly after this with just trains going.
Anyway, no, I was just having a laugh with Ryan and also letting him know that Jake was back with Tess. But I'm not sure.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing, and hopefully you'll be around for more videos. Bye for now.